Hello students, open your maths book and come to page number 147. Lesson number 11, Money. Today we will learn about money. So what is money? Money is the means of paying for something. If you want to buy something, you have to pay money for that. Money gives you purchasing power. So my dear students, money in our country is in the form of rupees and paise. Notes and coin make up our currency. You can see these are notes and these are coins. These both make up our currency. And the symbol of rupees is shown here. This is the symbol of rupees. And symbol of paise is P. Now, suppose you want to buy this copy from shop. So, what do you need? Yes, all you need is money. You have to pay some money to buy this copy. Now, let us see few notes and coins which are being currently used in our country. These are coins and these are notes. Now let us first see coins. Here on top you can see 1 rupee coins. On top these are 1 rupee coins. This second one is of 2 rupees. What is the amount? 2 rupees. You can see sign of rupee on each coin. And 2 is written here. That means this coin is of 2 rupees. Now these are 5 rupees coins. And this is 10 rupees coins. So now this is note of 5 rupees. I have already shown you coin of rupees 5 and this is note of rupees 5. This is 10 rupees note. This is 20 rupees. This is 50 rupees note. And this is of 100 rupees. This you can see is of 200 rupees. This note is of 200 rupees. This is 500 rupee note. And this last one is 2000 rupees note. Here are some coins which were earlier used in our country, but now we do not use them. Let us see. These coins were called paise. So the first one which you can see is 1 paisa. The second one is 2 paisa. This third one is 3 paisa. This is 5 paise and this is 10 paise. So students, these old coins are now replaced by these new coins. Now we do not use these coins. Now we use these new coins. So I hope students you have understood this lesson. Open your maths book, come to page number 148, exercise 11.1. Look at the first question. Count the coins and write the amount. We will count the coins and write the amount. Look at the first question. Here we have 5 rupees coins. And how many coins are there? 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you will do? You will add them all. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Your answer will be 25. You will write 25 here. Now same. In question number B, here we have 1 rupees coin. So we will add them all and write the amount here. The same you will do with question C, D and E. Now come to question number 2. The right column has some amount. On the left, there are notes and coins that add up to those amounts and match them. Here we have notes and here we have amount written here. We will add these notes and whichever amount we get, we have to match with the amount written this side. Look at the first question. Here we have 50 rupees note first. 50 plus 20 plus 5. Your answer will be 75. So you will write A in front of 75. Question number 2. Here we have 10 rupees coin. Same here, and 5 plus 2 and this 1. Your answer will be 28. So you will write B in front of 28. In the same manner, you will do the remaining questions. On page number 149, we have question number 3. Count the money and help Vandana decide the gift from the given option. You have to add this money and you have to write the total amount, and then you have to tell that which gift can Vandana buy for her father. This you will do by yourself. Now turn the page and come to page number 150. Here are some goods given as well as amount. You have to find cost. Here we have a candle, a ball and a chips. So we will add the cost of all the three goods. The chips is of 10 rupees. Candle is of 2 rupees and ball is of 4 rupees. So your total will be 16. Mask. This mask is of 5 rupees. Balloon is of 10 rupees and the sticker is of 8 rupees. That means you have to add 5 plus 10 plus 8. Your answer will be 23. So, in the same manner, you will be doing the remaining questions on this page. Students, now open your maths copy to a fresh new page. You will write the name and the number of the lesson. Lesson number 11, money. Then you will be writing the heading, find the total cost of the following set of items. Here you can see few items are drawn and amount is given. What you have to do is to add them. You have to add these amount and write the total in this box. So look at the first question. Here we have a book that is of 20 rupees. A ball of 10 rupees and a balloon of 5 rupees. So when you will add them all, your answer will be 35. This ice cream is of 15 rupees. Chips is of 5 rupees. So when we add them, we get 20. The total cost is 20. The candle is of 12 rupees and a pencil is of 15 rupees. Your answer will be 27. So in the same manner, you will also write. Now turn the page. Here are some more items given to you. What you have to do is to add them all and write the total cost. This you will do by yourself. These three questions you will do by yourself. And then come to the next page. Write the heading, fill in the blanks. The first one, the symbol of rupee is this. You will write the symbol of rupee and then underline it. The symbol of paise is P. You will underline this paise. Third, money is needed to buy things. You will underline the word money. Notes and coins make up our currency. You will underline this coins.